In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Steam not opening on PC. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is right click on your taskbar, select the option Task Manager, navigate to the Processes tab. Now search for Steam. If you see any Steam processes running in the background, right click on them and select End Task. After that, close the Task Manager completely. Now locate Steam shortcut on your desktop, right click on it, then select the option Properties. Now go to Compatibility tab. Here enable disable full screen optimizations and also check run this program as administrator. Click apply and then OK to save the changes. Next, search for Windows Security, launch it. Go to Firewall and Network Protection, then click on Allow an app through firewall. After that, click on Change Settings, scroll down and find Steam. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. If the issue still continues, open Run dialog. Now here type in %local app data % and press enter. Now locate Steam folder and completely delete it. Now search for command prompt, click on Run as administrator. Here you'll need to type in the command prompt ipconfig //DNS and press enter. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the Steam app. For that, search for add or remove programs. Now navigate to the app Steam, click on three dots, select the option uninstall and confirm it. Launch your preferred browser, type in Steam download. Navigate to the official website of it and download it, and that's it. With these you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.